September 20th, 2015. I fixed Markis' bike. Daddy-o fixed Markis' bike. His tire went flat. So, yep. September 20th, 2015. I love you, Markis. I fixed your tire. Daddy fixing the bike. I put some more air in the tire. All fixed. You can go dent and walk. Daddy-o loves you. Love you, love you, love you. Bike's all fixed. Video on fix Markis' bike. How to fix your son's bike. Alright. Love you, love you, love you forever, ever, ever. Jesus loves you. And Mariah loves you. And Daddy loves you. Alright, Markis. Your bike's all fixed. Your Spider-Man bike. Whoa. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. All fixed. I'm gonna put it by the door. You and mommy go walk it, dent. Track around 7 when it cools off. It's at 100 degrees now. Right. Again, it's Sunday, September 20th. Raiders are playing right now, and the Giants are playing the Arizona Giants baseball. Alright. Love you. Bye.